Nowodhow! News! Nowodhow! News! News! Nowodhow! As conscientious members of our community, we like to offer medical assistance via our local health expert, Dr. Fransk.
Hi Doctor, Tony Imperial here, phoning from St. Mawes.
This there, Tony. What is your ailment?
I was trying to elbow drop a dolphin from my dinghy and unfortunately I caught it on a jetty on the way down, hence swollen.
Unfortunately, this is not well known. The elbow is linked to the hatred gland, and you have your hate for the said dolphin has disorientated your elbow. This has led to the bump.
But Doctor, what about the swelling?
Well, Tony, you have to find the dolphin that you have wronged and provide pork scratchings for life or other bar-related snacks.
Hello, Doc. Morez.
Next caller.
Hello, my dear. Betty Trusker here, calling from Stanley's.
This there, Betty, what is your ailment?
Well, I was reaching up for me monster munch from the top shelf in my kitchen and I slipped off me reaching tortoise. Fell off, and me bloody breath come off.
Brech, Betty, Pyth you Hemm?
Me arm!
Oh, okay, I can recommend you seek a homeopath treatment and they should provide you with a special goo or adhesive substance that will stick the arm back onto the stump or torso.
Morez, Doctor, thou wellers.
Splendid. I, Dr. Fransk, shall be here to answer health question as long as I am not engaged in my medieval jousting tournaments or during times of inclement weather.
Local sportsman Perrin Warhorse Trebilcock has won at local sports. So we sent out roving reporter Ludgvan Williams to speak to him.
Right, Perrin? With Dar Lodgers? So, you won at some local sports, etc. recently. Just tell us, how do you prepare for sports?
Oh, you know, boxed a few cats to death, did some sweet skids on my mountain bike, rattled an adolescent ram, you know, trying to work on my trunk, my back, my hind legs, main whacking muscles like, you know.
Yes, anything else?
Oh, I've got to have me lucky charm on me at all times, haven't I?
Lucky charm, Pyth you henna.
And who, Othong Fursik.
Very nice. My father used to wear the same to bingo. There we are. Perrin Warhorse Trebilcock, thong wearer, like the best of us. Back to you in the studio, boys.
The local council have a wad of cash that they have to spend on a community project. We sent out Ludgvan Williams to talk to local people about how they think it should be spent.
Hello, what do you think the local fund should be spent on?
Oh, gather him, the Alavi Council Susnik.
Delaur. Battle Vinter Spenna and Fontaine.
Oh, cheap brass, rag, gohi.
Delaur. Pyth you henna.
Oh, hennu, cribedu. Govinus nath, now.
Back to you in the studio, boys.
We're just gonna go out to our weatherman, Gamer Drog, to see today's weather.
What's the weather, Gower?
Quinzaku.
It's on. Henn, Nowodhow Kernow.
But before we go, we've had a lovely picture sent in from more weather from Relovus.
Is that a wolf on a scooter firing a laser?
Yes, that certainly looks like it.
Anyway, been a lot of Kernewek in today's Nowodhow Kernow.
Yes, I suppose you could use it if you want. You can use it if you want. You could use it if you want. You could use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. Use it if you want. You could use it if you want. You could use it if you want. You could use it if you want. If you want.